Is a standard savings account really the best place for your money if your goal is long-term growth? For years, I stuck with the basic savings account at my local bank, including Patriot Bank. It was safe, it was familiar. But as I started looking at my long-term financial goals, things like retirement or a future down payment, I realized that safe wasn't the same as growing. The low, variable interest rate on a basic savings account just wasn't cutting it against inflation. So, I dug into Patriot Bank's offerings, specifically looking for options built for years, not months. Here's what I found, and what I ended up considering for myself. The top contender, certificates of deposit, CDs. The best option for guaranteed, long-term savings growth at Patriot Bank is typically a certificate of deposit, or CD. Why it works: you deposit a set amount of money for a fixed term, say 1, 3, or 5 years. In exchange for tying up your money, you get a higher, guaranteed interest rate than a standard savings account. This is predictable, secure growth. My take on it: I like the predictability. With a 5-year CD, for example, I know exactly what my money will be worth when it matures. The key is using money you absolutely won't need until the term ends, because pulling it out early usually means a penalty. This forces discipline, which is exactly what I needed for my long-term savings. The retirement powerhouse, individual retirement accounts, IRAs. For true long-term growth, especially retirement, Patriot Bank offers various types of individual retirement accounts, or IRAs, often structured as CD or savings accounts. Why it works: IRAs offer significant tax advantages. Whether it's a traditional IRA where contributions might be tax-deductible, or a Roth IRA where withdrawals in retirement are tax-free, the tax break itself is a massive long-term boost. My take on it: if your goal is retirement, this is non-negotiable. Patriot Bank offers traditional, Roth, and SEP IRAs. It's important to research which tax structure works best for you, but the long-term tax benefits beat a standard savings account any day. The sub-account within the IRA can be a CD, allowing you to combine guaranteed higher rates with tax benefits. The higher tier option, money market or star savings. If I needed a bit more liquidity, meaning I might need to access the funds within a few years, a money market account or Patriot Star savings account would be next on my list. Why it works: these accounts generally offer higher, tiered interest rates than a basic savings account, often rewarding you for keeping a larger balance. Money market accounts also frequently offer check writing privileges, giving you easier access than a CD. My take on it: this is a good middle ground for medium-term goals, maybe 3 to 5 years out, where you want better growth but aren't ready to lock the money away completely in a CD. However, the rates on these are variable, meaning they can drop, unlike the fixed rate of a CD. The final word. When I moved my focus from just saving to long-term growth, the standard savings account quickly became a place only for my emergency fund. For anything with a time horizon longer than a few years, Patriot Bank certificates of deposit, especially if held within a retirement IRA, are the superior choice. You trade a little accessibility now for a higher, guaranteed return later. That's how long-term growth really happens. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.